Well, honestly, I didn't really have my best stuff today. I felt like I hit it significantly better yesterday, but I really just plotted myself around and avoided bunkers. No bunkers today, and didn't make a bogey. So just a lot of really good up and downs. Anytime I missed a green, I made sure it was in the right spot, and then I was able to, chip it 3 or 4 feet. Have a lot of easy pars today. Didn't really have to struggle too much, but yeah, I just only made 3 birdies, but just par, par, par. Just keep going at it, grinding it out, and I started I think 3 back, so I just really had to stay patient. I knew I wasn't going to go out and make I think I made 7 birdies yesterday. I just kind of knew I probably wasn't going to make 7 birdies today, so I just minimized mistakes and kind of let everyone else make a couple mistakes, and then last 2 or 3 holes I put some good shots together and was able to birdie 18 there to close it out. I just really been working on course management a lot, knowing when to pick my spots and when not to try to take on too much. For me, it's really just minimizing mistakes. I know I'm going to hit enough good shots, enough good short irons in there. I just got to avoid those doubles and easy bogeys. Yeah, just for me, it's really just mindset, I think, of going out there and not worrying so much about what everybody else is doing, taking what the course gives you and just a little more one shot at a time, really. In Arizona, definitely #1 for sure. I've been wanting to get one of these Kachinas for a while. It's been on my my goal list for 3 or 4 years, and very, very pleased to finally get it done. My lucky shorts, and I needed them. Yeah, one of my friends, Matthew, got me these a couple of years ago, and they've kind of just become my Sunday shorts in a way. Ever since I was a kid, I always marked my golf ball of a green clover, so it seemed to fit. That's probably why he got them for me.